So I'll be showing you how to claim your daily combo and also the daily cipher Morse code, which you will see at the end of this video. So these are the 3 things we need to unlock. We need to unlock this OTG channel from the special card. Then we need to unlock this market. When you go to the market, you unlock the prediction markets. Then we'll also unlock the license Europe, which is under legal. Also, don't forget to upgrade your cards so you can increase your profit per hour. Also, don't use all your coins to buy expensive cards, which you won't make much gain. Spend wisely while you're trying to increase your profit per hour. Thank you all, and also don't forget to subscribe for more. This is the part 2.
Daily Morse code. Satoshi.
For the daily Morse code, so go ahead and spell it. This is S, this is A, dash, this is T, dot, oh, we lost it, so we start again, dot, that's S, dot, dash, that's A, dash, that's T, dash, 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 dash. That's, so we lost it. So we'll start again. So that's how you keep trying it until you get it. So it's very simple. All you have to do is calm down and make sure you press the correct alphabet. So finally we have our H, then we have our I. That's the most code for today. So successfully claimed. Subscribe. Thank you.